The first thing in caring for your denture is proper cleaning. Here is what you need to do. Whether you're wearing denture for the first time or you've been wearing them for a while, it's crucial to know how to maintain them properly to ensure they last and keep your smile looking good. My name is Elizabeth. I'm a dental therapist. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel, click the notification bell so you'll be the first to get my new videos, and also watch my previous videos. I talk about dental health tips. Number 1, rinse your dentures after eating to remove food particles from it. Some dentures are removable while some are not removable, but if you're wearing those removable, rinse them after eating. Okay, use a soft bristle toothbrush and a denture cleaner to gently clean all surfaces of your denture. So when you remove your denture from your teeth, you clean it with a denture cleaner. You can get denture cleaner or denture toothbrushes in the supermarket. Okay, be sure not to use regular toothpaste on your denture, as it can be abrasive and damage the denture materials. All right, soak your dentures overnight in a denture cleaning solution or water. It is very important that you soak your denture in water. If you want to sleep, you want to go to bed at night, remove your denture, put it inside a cup filled with water. Right, this will help to make your denture to last longer. Proper handling is crucial to avoid accidental damage. Right, always handle your dentures over a soft surface like a towel or a basin of water to prevent breakage if they fall. Some dentures are very fragile. Avoid bending or damaging the plastic or metal clamps that are used to fix the dentures. Remove your dentures at night to allow your gums to rest and recover. Some people, when they want to go to bed, they wear the dentures, especially those wearing those removable dentures. They don't remove it at night, and it is not good. When you want to go to bed at night, remove your dentures. Another one is, don't also forget about your oral hygiene if you're wearing denture. Very important. Brush your gums, your tongue, and palate with a soft bristle toothbrush to remove bacteria and stimulate blood flow, especially to that area where your denture is fixed. Rinse your mouth with an antimicrobial mouthwash to keep your mouth fresh. Regular dental checkups are essential to ensure your dentures fit well and to address any potential issues. When you wear your denture over time and you don't visit your dentist, at some point you notice that when you want to talk, your denture might want to fall out, right? And another thing is, your diet also matters a lot when you're having a denture. Okay, start with soft foods and gradually introduce harder ones to get used to chewing, especially when you get your dentures newly. Avoid extremely hot or hard food, as it can damage your dentures. Yes, dentures are not permanent teeth, so you should use them with caution. Cut food into smaller manageable pieces. Yes, don't bite too much food like as you used to when you were having your natural teeth. Dentures are your natural teeth. Storing your dentures properly is also essential. Keep them in a container filled with water, like I've said earlier, when not in use, when you're not using them, to prevent them from drying out. Some people, when they bring out their denture, they just keep it in an open places like that. No, you only store your denture in a cup filled with water. Store them away from pets, as they might be tempted to chew on them. That the material that used to produce denture can be tempting, right? So keep them away from your pets. So that is it, the tips on how to care for your denture. Okay, now a comprehensive guide on, remember, proper care and maintenance are key to keeping your dentures in an excellent condition. If you found this video helpful, please like this video so that YouTube will recommend it to people that needs it the most. Okay, and also thank you for watching. If you have any dental question, leave it at the comment section. Share this video with others who you think are wearing denture, and also subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.